Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine, guys. My name is Himanshu, and by qualification, I'm an MA and MPhil in English Literature. I had a 99.74 percentile on the CAT verbal section. So, guys, today this is the second session of vocabulary shorts, and we are going to discuss the root circum. So, if you have seen the previous session, I think you realize what we do in these short sessions. In the next 5 to 6 minutes, I'm going to take you through some words, and these words are the important high frequency words that you find in many competitive exams. So, guys, ये second session है. Let's get started. So, before we start, guys, I hope some of you have considered the Plus and the Iconic subscription. So, जितना भी Unacademy का premium content है that is featured on Plus and Iconic, so you get all the facilities, you get support from the faculties, you get the best educators, you get the PDFs, you get the mocks, etc. So आपको करना क्या है, आपको मेरा कोड यूज करना है HSing, and whatever subscription you buy, you get a 10% discount. Okay, so guys, these are some of the batches. You can have a look and you can consider joining some of these batches. So starting with the root word for today, that is circum. So guys, circum is a Latin root that means to go around. So circum का meaning क्या होता है? It means around. Okay, to go around something, right? So that is what circum is. Now, when I look at this first word, circumscribe, okay, so it comprises these two roots, that is circum, that is around, and scribere, that is the same root that you have in scribble. Okay, scribble means to write. So circumscribe means to draw a line around, or to restrict something by drawing a boundary. So yeah, circumscribe को हम कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं? या तो when you draw a boundary around something, okay, or you limit the range of something. Okay, for example, his role is clearly circumscribed by the management. So when I say his role is clearly circumscribed by the management, it means that his role is clearly defined, it's clearly restricted, it's clearly limited. So आप जब किसी चीज की बाउंड्री को डिफाइन कर देते हो, उसको लिमिट कर देते हो, तो that is circumscribe. We also use circumscribe to physically draw a circle around something. For example, I have circumscribed the wrong words. Okay, so when I say that the teacher circumscribed the wrong words written by the student, that means like the teacher, she drew the circle around those wrong words. Okay, so that is what circumscribe means, guys. Very important word. Circumlocution. So guys, as you can see, circumlocution, again you have the root circum, that is for around, that is a Latin root, and you have the root loc. Now we all realize that LOC and LOQ, these two roots are used in the sense of talking. तो आपने कहां पे देखा है इस रूट को? LOC या LOQ को, guys, when you observe this root, it is used in sense of talking. Like for example, magniloquent, grandiloquent, loquacious. Okay, so LOC and LOQ, both the roots are used in sense of talking. So when I say circumlocution, circum means around and loc means to talk. So what does this word mean? Okay, this word would naturally mean to talk around. That means to indulge in a rambling talk. ठीक है, मतलब आप चीजों को ना स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड नहीं बोल रहे, आप घुमा फिरा के बोल रहे हो. Rambling. Okay, rambling means to talk in a manner where you don't come to the point. We have this very popular idiom, that is to beat around the bush. So आप बोल सकते हो that circumlocution is very similar to beating around the bush. To beat around the bush. Okay, so beating around the bush is the same thing, guys. Okay, that is rambling talk. Okay, we can also use the word verbosity. Verbosity का meaning क्या होता है भाई? Verbosity का meaning होता है to use excessive words and to confuse the topic. Okay, so rather than coming straight to the topic, if you keep on using like a plethora of words and you confuse the listener, that is what verbosity is. Okay, so verbosity and prolixity, both the words can also be used as synonyms for circumlocution. Circumspect. Okay, so guys, you can see circum. Okay, circum का मतलब around, spect का मतलब to see. Spect is the same root that you have in spectator or spectacle. Spect का मतलब होता है देखना, to see. तो circumspect का मतलब क्या हुआ? The literal meaning of circumspect is to actually look around you, like what is happening around you. But when I use this word in the sentence, it actually means people who are cautious, people who are vigilant, and people who are well aware of their surroundings. तो ऐसे लोग जो होते हैं ना, guys, circumspect जो होते हैं, they are very cautious people, they are very vigilant people, they are very aware of what is happening in their सराउंडिंग्स की, उनके आसपास क्या चल रहा है उस चीज के बारे में उनकी हाइपर अवेयरनेस होती है, वो उस चीज को लेके बहुत ज्यादा विजिलेंट होते हैं ना. सरकमवेंट. Okay, now guys, if you look at this root, this comes from circum plus ventus. Ventus means to come and circum means around. So what is circumvent? Circumvent का meaning होता है to avoid something or to go around something, like है ना, किसी चीज को avoid कर देना या किसी चीज को टाल देना, या किसी चीज से बच के निकल जाना. Okay, so you can say to avoid. Okay, so avoiding something. Okay, so that is like, obviously that is one thing that you can say. Okay, to avoid. Okay, for example, I was able to circumvent the crisis by choosing the other option. Okay, so when I say that, okay, I chose the other option because I wanted to circumvent the crisis, that means I want to avoid the crisis. Circumnavigate, so we can see circum plus navigation. Okay, and circumnavigation, guys, is the word that we use for going around something. Navigate का बेसिकली जो यूज है, जैसे हम लोग कहेंगे पहले ही वाज एबल टू सर्कमनैविगेट द वर्ल्ड. ओके, सो व्हेन आई से ही वाज एबल टू सर्कमनैविगेट द वर्ल्ड इन 80 days, that means he was able to like travel or go around the world in 80 days, something of that sort. Okay, so that is circumnavigate, that I can use in many situations. uh, then we have the next word, that is सर्क्विटस. ओके, सर्क्विटस का देखो गाइस मीनिंग क्या होता है. सर्क्विटस का मतलब होता है अ सॉर्ट ऑफ पाथ दैट इज मियांडरिंग और लैब्रिंथाइन, मतलब जो गोल गोल घूम के जाता है. दैट इज समथिंग नॉट स्ट्रेट. ओके, सो यू हैव समथिंग दैट इज स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एंड देन यू कैन हैव समथिंग दैट इज सर्क्यूटियस. ओके, दैट मींस दैट इट्स नॉट स्ट्रेट, इट्स राउंड अबाउट. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल द टैक्सी ड्राइवर. Okay, the taxi driver took us through a circuitous route, and he charged us more money. Than expected. Okay, so obviously when you go from a circuitous route, okay, circuitous route, it means that you're not going the straight path, you're not following the shortest path, you're actually going in a roundabout manner. तो आप घूम घूम के जा रहे हो, आप straight नहीं जा रहे है ना. ठीक है, so that is a very important word. Then you have circumambulate. So guys, India में एक tradition होता है that you when you visit the holy shrine or when you go to the temple, okay, you circumambulate the sacred place. Circumambulate, guys, in India we call it parikrama, and it's a ritual. So circumambulate, guys, if you look at this word, the word breaks into circum plus ambulate, and circum means around and ambulate means to walk. ठीक है, सो जब आप किसी चीज के अराउंड वॉक करते हो, ठीक है, लाइक इन अराउंड, लाइक when you go around something, like in a roundabout manner, so that is what circumambulation is. Now the circumambulation, guys, which literally means to walk around, is basically done for a ritual purpose. Okay, जैसे इंडिया के अंदर हम लोग देखते हैं that when you go to a temple, you circumambulate the sacred place because that is a ritual. Okay, तो वो एक रिचुअल होता है. ठीक है, और कई रिलीजन्स के अंदर, जैसे कि हिंदूज के अंदर, वी सर्कमएम्बुलेट दी सेक्रेड प्लेसेस, लाइक है ना, एंड दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ रिचुअल और अ सेरेमनी. सो गाइस, दीज आर सम ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स. आई होप now you understand the root circum, and do watch these vocabulary shorts. It will be very very helpful in improving your vocabulary. And guys, I'm going to put a lot of these sessions of vocabulary shorts, तो आपको देखना है. 6 to 7 minutes के session है, and they're very effective for improving vocabulary. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's session. I see you in the next one. Thank you very much.